Welcome. In front of me is Gateway GWNR71517 Ultra Slim laptop, and in this video I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on this device. So to do that, open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then select System Settings and search for Recovery option. Open the Recovery tab and then select Reset this PC. Now if you select the first option, that will be basically the settings reset, so it's hardly a factory reset in such case, because it will only remove your reset your settings and apps, and will keep your files on the PC. So if you want to reinstall Windows, it's surely not an option for you. So if you want to perform a factory reset, go with remove everything. Now if you are connected to the network, you'll be able to choose between cloud download and local reinstall. So if your files are corrupted and you want a clear new copy of Windows, I rather suggest that you go with cloud download option, which is this one, and this will take significantly more time to download Windows from the cloud and reinstall it. But if your files are corrupted, I suggest that this is the only way with which you go. And local reinstall will reinstall Windows from this device using your local files. I will go with it. Now in Change Settings, you'll also be able to switch between just removing your files, which is, as it says, quicker but less secure. But if you're preparing your device for selling, I suggest that you switch this toggle to yes and clean the drive completely, which will take a lot more time, but it will make it harder to recover your personal files. Now I will go with no, simply because I don't want this video to be long. And then in Download Windows, you can also, just like before, select whether you want to reinstall Windows from this device or from the cloud if you switch to yes. Now once you selected all the appropriate settings, select Confirm, then click Next. Then make sure that you have the AC adapter, basically the power source, connected to your device, because your device should be connected to power all in the meantime, because if it turns off during the factory reset, you might it can break your device. So better keep it plugged in all the time. And when you're ready, click Reset, and then wait until the device performs a factory reset. And basically, when your device starts restarting, it means that that you simply have to wait, and you don't have to do anything right until you see the starting setup screen. So basically that's all for this video. Right now you only have to wait until the factory reset is complete. So I thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.